I know this video might make a lot of people mad, but I just had to say it. Here are the top 5 things that are making your home look cheap. First, hanging your artwork too high can make your home look cheap. Leave it up to most men, they will hang artwork way too high or at their eye level. According to designers, the ideal height to hang artwork is between 57 and 60 inches from the floor to the center of the artwork. This is called the 57-inch rule, and it's used in galleries and museums around the world. For pieces above your furniture, like a console table or a sofa, there should be 6 to 8 inches from the bottom of the artwork to the furniture piece. And this will maintain a visual balance. Mismatched light bulbs drive me crazy. Some warm, some cool, can make a space look and feel disjointed. Luckily, this is a super easy and inexpensive fix. Go to your local hardware store and buy bulbs with the same color temperature, either all warm or all cold. I personally prefer warm toned bulbs. I feel they create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Here's one that a lot of people disagree with me on. Mismatched carpets in your bedrooms. It drives me crazy. Different colors, different textures can make your home feel and look disjointed. Keeping consistent carpet style and color throughout really helps maintain a more cohesive and high-end look. Empty pots scattered around your yard can make your home look cluttered and tacky. Leaving empty pots visible really take away from your home's curb appeal. An easy way to fix that is just to store the pots out of sight. Put them in your garage, put them in your shed, or put them under your deck. Here's a big one. Avoid the urge to over-decorate your home. Filling every inch of wall space or every inch of a room with tchotchkes and decor items can really make your home feel cheap. It can make it feel cluttered and less sophisticated. I know many people like their collectibles. However, having them scattered all over your home will look tacky. If you love your collectibles and have to have them on display, you would have them in a dedicated space or a dedicated shelf, a bureau, or in a dedicated room. Avoid having them all over the house. There's a design rule called the rule of odds, which suggests grouping accessories in odd numbers, 3, 5s, or 7s. This will create a balance and a more sophisticated look. Remember that less is more. Limiting decor in a few well-chosen pieces creates a more sophisticated and elevated, intentional look in your home. Here's a bonus tip for you. One that I personally really struggle with, as you can see all around me here. Having too many plants in your home can make it look cheap, can make it look cluttered or like a jungle. I love my plants and I have plenty of them. Consider designating specific areas of your home, like a specific table or room where a majority of your plants reside. Thoughtfully place a few smaller plants throughout your home, also abiding by the rule of odds. This will make your space look more intentional. The key is to avoid overwhelming your home while still enjoying all the greenery. Let me know which of these you disagree with the most, and I hope you enjoyed this video.